Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Simone if you're new here. Today's video we're going to be doing a bit of a product review. So I have here the Mecca Max Off Duty contour sticks. So this one is in the shade medium and this one is in the shade sherbet. So this is my blush and this is a contour stick. Now I did try and get the deep for this because when I was looking at them online I thought deep would be too deep for my skin tone. But since getting this one, I actually think that this one is on borderline too light for my skin tone. So I really wanted to get my hands on deep. However, they were sold out, so I'm just gonna have to wait. So in the meantime, I thought I'd just do a quick video showing you guys how I use these and what I think of them. Also, the eye makeup look that I have on today is using my Mecca Maxima shadow zoom sticks. Zoom shadow sticks. So if you guys want to see that video, I will leave a link in the description box below as well. But let's go ahead and zoom you guys in. Okay, so we're gonna start with the contour. Now, I personally like to use this straight on my face first, but I'm going to do one side on the face and one side using the brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this right on the top of my cheekbone. And you see what I mean about it being like a little bit too light? So this would be really, really great for fair to medium. I'm still considered a light medium, but you know, I'm still like, I'm definitely light. But this is really good for like you really fair girls, like my sister, she's an ivory white. You see how nice that like blends out? This is just a Merton buff brush. I really like his brushes too. A little bit pricey, but very worth it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more on there. Blend, 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 blend. And then I'm going to do up my forehead as well. Now I like to really get into that little spot where my hair goes back. And then I'm just going to blend. These are really good. They don't dry down too quickly. So you do get a lot of blending time with them. So you can put it on both sides of your face at once and not really have to worry about getting a harsh line or anything. So you see how that's just like a really soft blend. I really want to try the deep, and I do my jawline with these. However, if I got the deep shade, I don't think I would do my jawline using the deep. I think I would continue to use the light shade, just because I find that you know, this is really subtle. You can't really even tell that I've done that. So for the other side, what we're gonna do is we're going to pop the brush straight on there. And I should mention, this is my personal collection. When I go back to work after COVID, I will be purchasing these for my kit, but these are my own. So I'm just going to blend that in using the brush. And this is what I would do on a client. On a client, I wouldn't put it straight on here. I'm actually going to put these into something like a view set. So we're just blending that on. And I'm gonna do the same with my forehead. I'm gonna start right in that little peak. So I do find that it is a lot faster if you put it on. So what I could do on clients is use, you know, like another brush, something like this, and I could take it out of the palette and then wipe it on and then blend it out. That'd probably be the fastest process, but we'll just have to do trial and error. And it just gives such a soft blend. Now you can do this on the nose as well. I don't usually contour my nose, but for the sake of this video, I will. Just gonna use a little fluffy one. It just blends out so easily. I really, really love these products. They're just so easy to use. They're really inexpensive as well. It's $18 for one of these. So I do find that this side is a little bit darker and this side is a little bit more soft and natural, and that's the difference between putting extra product or just wiping it on the brush. So I definitely think with using a client, I would pop it on a paddle brush first and then blend it out. Okay, so now we're gonna do the blush. Now this is the shade Sherbet. I really like sort of like an apricot peachy toned blush. I like it on myself and I like it on my clients. So I'm just gonna pop that straight on. Oh, I've got the espresso zoom stick on my fingernail. So I like to just pop that on my cheekbone and then I blend it up. I'm just literally using the same brush. I like a lot of blush on myself, and you can build these up. Now I find personally, I actually do prefer to do it this way for the blush, and this is how I have been applying it to my skin. I just think it doesn't like move the foundation underneath at all. It's just a lot softer. I do like this brush, but it does molt a little bit. I am just getting hair everywhere today. I just washed my hair literally this morning, so it's very fluffy. And just bring a little bit of that across the nose. Now you don't have to use as much blush as I did. I just really, really love blush on myself. So I find it, I like to overdo it a little bit. But as a review for these products, definitely recommend. So these are the off-duty blush sticks and the off-duty contour stick. I will definitely be doing another purchase very soon, and I'll be getting the deep, and I'm also going to get another shade of the blush as well. I haven't decided what shade of blush I'm going to get, but I will pop a picture on the screen of all of the different shades that they have available from Mecca, and I will link a description in the, link to these in the description box below. But I don't know why, I just really love these. Just gonna go ahead and pop a little bit more on this side. As a personal contour stick, definitely recommend using straight from the device. So easy, so quick, it blends out super quickly. And these are like $18. You can't go wrong. There is 6.5 grams of products in both of these, and they have a shelf life of 18 months. So I definitely think that I would go through these in 18 months. See if I can wind it all the way up. I do find with like wind up products, you have like a little bit left in under here as well. So you do get a lot more out when you finish it, and then you use like a spatula or something to dig out the rest. I also find that with my lipsticks, you have a whole half a lipstick that's like in the cylinder as well. So don't forget to always like go in and scoop the last little bit out. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I use these Mecca Maxima off-duty blush and contour sticks. I hope you guys liked it. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below if you did. And don't forget, I will leave a link to my review on the shadow zoom sticks as well. That's how I did this eye look today. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out if you guys leave me a thumbs up or a comment. If you want me to do another video when I do get the deep and compare the two, just leave me a comment in the comment section below and I will definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, so until then, I post videos every Tuesday, sometimes on a Friday, depending on my schedule, and I hope to see you guys then.